Hey everybody, welcome to day 5. Today we're going to work on the hips and the shoulders again and the spine. In fact, the whole body. We'll start in what is known as a V-sit, bringing one shin in front and the other to the side. So this is just this V-sit. And we'll start warming up the hand. So whatever leg you've got in front, that same hand is going to be placed down on the floor. Bring the other one around on top and gently press on top of it. And start to move the upper arm bone in the shoulder joint, just externally, internally rotating it. Notice where you're feeling sensation. And then bend the elbow and start to move it a little bit more. Just exploring, feeling. Is there any place that's holding something and you feel some twinges or anything going on? And then we'll come over onto the other side, bringing the other leg in front, and this hand comes behind, the other one comes on top. Just start to move this upper arm bone internally and externally, rotating it. Feels good. And then bending the elbow, getting a little bit more of motion, seeing how that feels. What was the difference between this side and the other side? Is this the hand that you write with, or did you write with the other one? Like your dominant side? Is there a difference? Excellent. Now I'm going to face this way. You can stay where you are, and the feet will be out in front like this. We'll move the legs to one side, so coming into this V-sit, and then rotating all the way around, coming into this push-up, and then pushing off the floor and allowing momentum to bring you up. So making it kind of like a playful movement. Then we go to the other side and do the same thing. Coming down and then pushing off. Just allowing the body to move itself. And again, this is an exploration. Where are you feeling it? Like when I'm down here, I can feel it in my right hip. Pushing off and coming round. Now, when you come back again, maybe you feel inspired to thread the needle. See how that feels in the arm and the shoulder. And coming back up. You don't have to do that. Doesn't feel very natural for me to do that. Maybe it does for you. And what you can also do is you come round. As you come down, this back leg, maybe this lifts up out of the hip joint. You push up and come over. Remember, this is not an aesthetic practice, so it doesn't matter what it looks like, how graceful you are or you aren't. Pushing up. Does one side flow a lot easier than the other? We'll do one more each side. I kind of like the version with the leg lifted. And then come back. Maybe shake out the arms. How do they feel? I can really feel it here across my collarbones. I'm obviously holding a lot here I wasn't really conscious of. Thank you for joining me today. Maybe do a quick body scan and see where you're feeling it. And when we move through these areas with focused attention and breathing, we can help maybe shift something that's stuck there. Thank you, and I will see you again tomorrow for day 6.